I'm Dudu. Everyone, have you ever tried building a design system? Nowadays, design system experience is a must-have on almost every job posting. So, I'm sure many of you have taken on the challenge. But let me ask you one thing. Is what you are building truly a design system? You probably opened up Figma and spent hours meticulously crafting buttons, breadcrumbs, paginations, and checkboxes, setting up variants, organizing auto layouts, and you probably felt pretty proud of thinking, wow, the design system is finally coming together. But let's be real for a second. Can you honestly say you've built a design system just by organizing a component library? Is the library actually functioning as a cohesive, living system in a real-world production environment? Let me be very clear. Simply listing components is just a library, not a design system. A true design system isn't just about drawing elements, it's a strategy and a promise that guides the entire product. A real design system is born when UX planning, UI consistency, and engineering feasibility come together in perfect harmony. Only when these three pillars are unified can it prove its true value as a living, scalable design system. I'm here to show you how to build a real design system based on logic, not just intuition, and a true design system, not just a component library. Are you ready to start this journey of building a real-world design system with me? Let's level up together. I'm Dudu.